BLOCKDAG Scam or Legit. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you, or we're going to talk about BLOCKDAG.network. It is legit, or is it just another scam in the blockchain space? Well, here's a quick breakdown to help you decide. First off, BLOCKDAG.network introduces a direct acrylic graph or DAG structure to improve scalability and transaction speeds. This isn't a new concept. It's been used successfully by projects like IOTA and Phantom. So from a technology standpoint, BLOCKDAG builds on proven ideas, but legitimacy isn't just about tech. Let's look at their transparency. A legit product, usually clear documentation, open source code, and a team with verified credential. If BLOCKDAG.network ticks those boxes, that's a good sign. Well, next, check their partnerships and community. Are there credible companies or developers actively collaborating with them? A strong engaged community can signal trust, while a lack of one could be a red flag. Finally, beware of overly ambitious promises like guaranteed high returns or solving every blockchain problems overnight. Scams often thrive on hype without delivering substance. So if BLOCKDAG.network is legit, well, basically it depends on their transparency, track record, and community support. Always do your own research and never invest more than you're willing to lose. Now, as of the moment, BLOCKDAG is relatively new on the scene, so we have to go ahead and wait a bit more to see how this develops. And so guys, if this video has been helpful for you, leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.